होल ऑफ इंडिया ही ना.
नहीं
दाल भात
नहीं,
भाजी.
you get to have all kind of meats, like there was fish, there was chicken, there was lamb,
Hmm.
वैसी.
Whatever she said, that is correct also. So guys, welcome back to Luis and Abhaya. Today we are here at Taste of Super Kings.
Yes.
It reminds me of Chennai Super Kings, but this is a thali place, very popular and very well-known place in Surrey.
Yes.
So we drove all the way from Burnaby to
Banabi.
Surrey to
It's
come here.
almost White Rock actually.
So let's see if it's a hit or a miss.
Yes.
Will it taste like home or no?
So I came across this place on Instagram. I used to keep on seeing ads for this place, and that it seems these people had an unlimited thali like how we have back home. So we finally, made it a plan, and we're here to try the unlimited thali.
And let's see if it's a hit or a miss.
Yes, yes. But the reviews
What is
that
your expectation about
I am
thali?
expecting very nice things about this place, because the reviews that I keep on seeing for this place, they are very they're speaking very highly about this place. That the food is nice, the taste is good, and all the quantity is nice. So I'm having high expectations, about the food over here.
And we are come in the afternoon.
Yes,
Hopefully in the
it
evening
is.
it is busy.
Yeah, and but they don't have the thali in the evenings. The thali is available only from 12 in the afternoon till 3.
Acha. But I want to show people your earrings.
Oh yeah.
Your Arabian Nights earrings.
These are not Arabian. These are more like. Back home in my office, I was the most popular one because of my earrings and unique ones I would wear.
Mm.
So it looks nice. It smells good. So this is pickle here. This is chutney. This is some chas. This looks like rasam. This is payasam या खीर जैसे. This is beetroot ka bhaji. This looks like some pumpkin or potato bhaji with chana dal. This is prawns. This is, I think, goat. I'm not sure. Let me check. This is goat, I think. This is chicken here. And then there is rice. There is papad, and then there is chapati here, and then there is also fried fish over. Yeah.
Taste and see na how.
Hmm. It's decent. The mutton tastes nice. The food is actually flavorful though, I would say. Like flavor है उसमें. But the rasam is also nice. The food is nice, I would say.
Try the payasam.
Like you want me to have the sweet also.
Now another one is sweet.
It's not very sweet. It's so heavy, it will not move. Or maybe it is wet from the below. So this is the donne biryani. This is the chicken 65. This is halwa. Suji ka halwa. This is the butter naan. This is the chicken curry that has come. This is raita, and this is some sort of salad. This is 21 and this is 19, I think.
This is 19.
And this is
This
20.
is 20. Not bad, no, for this.
See, the quantity is great and yours is unlimited. Mine is not.
Mm.
And I spilled some food.
Like always. Okay. Bon appetit.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Baby.
So it's a hit.
Yes, it's definitely a hit. Because it's flavorful, that actually put spices in it.
Mm, really good.
है ना? I found my food like a little, it has spice. It has not like spicy spice, but they've used spices in this garam masala.
Mm.
है ना? Two thumbs up from your sides.
Mm. Wait, another one.
What?
When I put my cap behind, that means I like it.
Now you're ready to eat?
I'm ready to. So since you brought me for unlimited thali that I have purchased, I have to do something. I did not eat since morning. You kept me hungry. I told you I wanted to eat. You said no. So I'm here. I ordered this thali. After that, I ate rice and what I ordered?
Goat
Goat
curry.
curry. And now I ordered another prawn when the roti is coming on already.
And I'm done.
She's done.
That's all I can.
That is her capacity.
I'm done.
She's always jealous of me. I eat a lot, but I'm still slim and fit.
मच्छी फ्राई का बात आ रहा है ना?
उधर से हम लोग आए अभी खा के.
अंदर नहीं आ रहा यार.
Okay. Now tell me, baby,
Hmm.
what did you think about Taste of Super King?
It was nice. It was decent, I would say. Not like very, very extremely good or something. It was like decent. Definitely worth for the money that you're paying, especially the unlimited thali that you had.
हाँ, I did full पैसा वसूल बाबा.
He had the prawns twice, goat curry twice, rice twice, chapati twice. So this is why I take him everywhere, because he's the only one who can get the full value of the
Because
meal.
I'm the bakasur of the family.
Yes, I couldn't even finish my whole stuff, so I'm taking the leftover biryani home.
Yes. But out of 10,
Hmm.
I would rate this place like 8.5.
It's definitely
Because
value for money. I personally feel the food that you order a la carte maybe might be more flavorful, but since this is it's like an unlimited thali,
yeah,
they skimp on the corners little bit, but
but
maybe
it was still okay. I
yeah,
mean, it was not too heavy and it was not too light as well.
oily.
You
If
can-
you're done eating
if
that
you're looking for
normal North
something-
Indian food, then this is like a
if
definitely
you're looking
a
for
welcome
something,
change.
if you're looking for something that you want to get away from the traditional Punjabi food in Canada, which people think that that is the only Indian food in the world. But apart from that, there are other parts of India as well.
Yes.
So, for example, this place,
Yes.
Taste of Super Kings.
And the
It
chicken
is a
that was
South
there in my
Indian
plate,
style.
the chicken 65 that it was in
Haan,
the
it was
Minwa
really
thali,
good.
it was really nice. It was very well made. It was nice and crispy. So the food was decent. Both of our plates had desserts also. He had a sevai kind of thing. It was a payasam, that's what they call it. And mine was more like a suji halwa, but it tasted like a gulab jamun.
And it was not too sweet either. So
Yes, that was a good
it
thing.
was very nice.
That's a good thing.
So yeah, if you are here around this place in South Surrey near White Rock, so please do come and visit this place.
Yeah.
I highly recommend. Give it a try for something different than just Punjabi
Yeah,
food.
usual normal Punjabi food.
Away from butter chicken and naan.
Yes.
No offense, it's a good food taste, but this is also very nice.
Yes,
to
the
taste
quantity is
something
quite
different.
good. The quantity
Yeah.
even that I got
And
for
if
my
you know,
biryani.
you know,
It's
thali
nice.
is a mixture of everything, so you would get to taste the whole of India in it.
No,
And
whole of
yeah,
India nahi.
Whole of India, na?
Nahi.
Dal, bhat,
No, you get
bhaji.
you get to have all kind of meats. Like there was fish, there was chicken, there was lamb. Vaisi.
Whatever she said, that is correct also.
Chalo.
So yeah, if you are watching this video until now, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment to let your opinion to us so that we can improve much better in the next videos.
अभी मेरे को गरम हो रहा है जल्दी चलो.
हाँ, bye. इसको गर्म हो रहा है.